The Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair or BPSF kicks off in Davao City tomorrow. The BPSF National Secretariat gears up for the caravan as it appears to have the most targeted beneficiaries in Mindanao with 250,000 individuals. The caravan aims to provide cash assistance to 200,000 recipients. Moreover, before the program is formally opened, the AKAP and TUPAD programs were launched in the area to ensure beneficiaries receive aid.
Aside from the core values that we are promoting na mabilis, maayos, maginawa at masayang serbisyong bayan, sabi din ng Pangulo, no Filipino will be left behind. I think klaro yung instruction na yon, saan mang probinsya, saan mang bayan at saan mang syudad, kung saan na kinakailangan ang Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair ay pupuntahan po ng Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair. 1 billion because again, that is the available funds for now para pwede nating ibigay sa Davao City.